Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to do our second lesson for the first term. We are Sri Lankans, part 2. Different groups of people who live in Sri Lanka: Veddas, Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslims, Malays, and Burghers. Here are some pictures of ancient tribes, Veddas. Multi-ethnic differences in Sri Lanka. The languages spoken: Sinhala, Tamil, and English. So Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslims, and Burghers, we all live in our country. Sinhalese have been living in Sri Lanka for long. Tamils mostly came from South India. Muslims and Malays came from Arabia. Religions practice: Buddhism mainly by Sinhalese, Hinduism mainly by Tamils, Islam mainly by Muslims, Christianity mainly by Burghers and some Sinhalese, and some Tamils. Places of worship: Buddhist temple, Christians church, Muslims mosque, Hindus kovil. So Buddhist and Hindus, they worship at their temples and kovils. Christians and Muslims, they pray at their church or mosque. Religious festivals: Buddhist, we have three main festivals, that is Vesak, Poson, and Asala. Then Christians, Christmas and Easter. Muslims, Ramazan, they fast for a month, and Hajji. Then Hindus, Deepavali, Thai Pongal, and Mahashivaratri. Here are some pictures of Buddhists, how they celebrate these three main religious festivals. Then some pictures of Christians, how they celebrate their festivals. Pictures of some Hindus, how they celebrate their religious festivals. Then some Muslims, how they celebrate their religious festivals. Dresses worn: Sinhala and Tamil prefer saris. Muslim women wear parda or hijab covering their head. The sarong is popular among Sinhala and Muslim men. Food generally taken by these ethnic groups differ. Sinhalese mainly rice and curry. Tamils rice and curry and thosi. Muslims rice and curry. So meat is a favorite food among Muslims. Sri Lanka under foreign rule. First they came to Sri Lanka as traders to buy spices. So first Portuguese from Portugal in 1505. Then Dutch from Holland in 1658. Then third British from England in 1796. So Portuguese and Dutch ruled a part of the country, but the British ruled the whole country from 1815 to 1948. That means nearly 150 years. Some important people who fought to gain independence: Gungale Godabanda, Monaravila Kappetipala Disave, D.S. Senanayaka, Migettuwatte Gunananda Thero, and S. Mahinda Thero. So there are so many leaders who fought to gain independence. Here we are going to learn only few. Venerable S. Mahinda Thero. Venerable S. Mahinda was born around 1901 in Sikkim and named Tashi Namgal. He received a scholarship with an annual allowance of 6 rupees to study Buddhism in Ceylon. So at that time our country was under British rule. So S. Mahinda soon became fluent in Sinhala language and established himself as a poet and an author. He has written over 40 books. His first book was Vamutudama. Final book is believed to be Sripada. Here you can find a list of books that was written by Venerable S. Mahinda Thero. So he was acknowledged as a national hero for his literary work and inspiring the independence movement. He passed away on 16 March 1951. Local government institutions in Sri Lanka. municipal council, urban councils and government agents officer. Here are some services given by these institutions. Here are some institutions that supply services to people in their areas. Electricity Board supply electricity. Then Water Supply Board supplies water to the particular areas. Then Post Office deliver letters and parcels to the particular areas. Grama Niladhari, Sri Lankan public official appointed by central government. So duties are issuing of permits, gathering information, keeping the peace by settlement of personal disputes. Responsible for keeping track of criminal activities in their area. Agricultural officer, plan and implement the technical aspects related to agricultural projects, provide technical support, submit field visit reports, maintaining coordination and linkage with the various stakeholders, supporting the project manager in developing, preparing and monitoring plans. Here are some services done by public health nurse. Here you can see the pictures of government officers and the way they are doing their services to the public. So my dear kids, stay safe and take care. Thank you.